Deleting your Shopify account is permanent. It erases your store, product listings, order history, and analytics data. First, back up all crucial data using Shopify's export tools to download CSV files of orders, customers, and products. Next, cancel all active subscriptions such as apps or your basic advanced plan. This prevents ongoing charges and is done through your admin panel. Then, close your store by removing all products and fulfilling any pending orders. Note that Shopify enforces a 48-hour waiting period after store closure before deletion can proceed. Finally, initiate the account deletion process. If you manage multiple stores, each must be handled individually. Account deletions have risen significantly, so follow each step carefully to avoid delays. Remember, once deleted, your account cannot be recovered. Before deleting, consider the implications of data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Exporting your data ensures compliance with data portability rights. Be aware that exported files may not include all historical data, especially app-specific information. A key trend is the growing emphasis on user control and data minimization. Deletions are increasingly driven by users seeking alternatives and avoiding vendor lock-in due to rising Shopify fees. While Shopify's deletion process is user-friendly, proactive data management is crucial for long-term sustainability. In 2024, many retailers migrated from Shopify due to cost pressures, underscoring the importance of auditing subscriptions to prevent billing disputes. While deletions are permanent, the trend toward data exports boosts user trust. For compliance in regions with strict data laws, consulting legal advisors is recommended. Once you've verified your data is backed up and all subscriptions are canceled, you can finalize the account deletion through the admin panel. There is no turning back.